As Wisconsin once again logs its worst day of the pandemic, Governor Tony Evers will address the state. About 1 hour from now, Evers is expected to talk about the ongoing coronavirus crisis, which has exploded across Wisconsin. Here are the latest numbers. A record 7,073 new cases reported today. That is 8 more than the previous record, and that was just set on Saturday. Another record, 66 more Wisconsin residents have died in the last 24 hours, the most ever reported in a single day during the pandemic. More than 2,000 people in the hospital across the state right now with COVID-19. 418 of them are in intensive care. Our colleague Charles Benson in Madison to cover the governor's address.
He joins us now live from the state capitol. And Charles, I know the governor is going to talk about the pandemic, but do you have any idea what he will say tonight?
Well, Carol and Steve, we've been given a preview of some of the things he is going to say. We are outside of the governor's office here in the state capitol, and he's expected to address the rising concern with COVID cases and deaths. In fact, he cites this dire statistic about what may happen in Wisconsin. Quote, the Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation estimates 5,000 Wisconsinites could be lost to COVID-19 in Wisconsin by January 1st if no further actions are taken to get this virus under control. That means another 2,500 people who might not be with us on New Year's Day. Now, the key there is further action. The governor has found resistance when he has called for action, things like the face mandate that some Republicans did not like, and his call for limits in bars that ended up in courts, and then, of course, his safer at home that was struck down by the Wisconsin Supreme Court. But the governor expected tonight in his speech to try to unite and rally everyone around this effort, saying, quote, I am concerned about what our current trajectory means for Wisconsin healthcare workers, families, and our economy if we don't get this virus under control. So the question is, will he offer more solutions, or is he going to call on the legislature to do something more, to be in sync with him on how to address this virus in Wisconsin? Now, of course, that speech will be at 6:05, and we will carry that speech live. At the state capitol, Charles Benson, TMJ4 News.